Today's topic is all about how you can overcome from the problem, which is travel is expensive. Okay, now traveling is way too expensive that people think, but in reality, it's not. So when you are not traveled at various places and when you are sitting at home, you will always think that travel is expensive. But when you will travel, you will come to know that travel is not expensive. But you will not travel because the travel is expensive, which you are thinking before traveling, and that's why you cannot get that experience. So that is the main thing. So here there are certain tips which I followed to make travel as less expensive as we can. And what you have to do is that number one tip is that you have to create a travel fund. So we always create an emergency fund. That and fund we keep some amount in bank account for the emergency purpose. For example, if some medically something happened to the person, we remove that money and we solve our problems related to hospital bills and all. But we don't create a travel fund. We don't create a separate fund for traveling, in which will be help us to travel at various places, and we can take a experience and knowledge based on it. So what we can do is that we can create a travel fund of it. So there is certain tips to create the travel fund, and which is mentioned by me. So I will just give you the information related to it, so that you will get the idea about how you can create a travel fund. So there are certain tips, and I had done a lots of research on that certain tips, and I am going to share those certain tips with you if you wanted to travel and if you wanted to overcome from the problem that travel is expensive. So let's begin. So what you have to do is that you have to create a travel fund, as I told you earlier. So you have to create a separate budget for traveling. So when you will create a travel fund, you will create a separate fund on traveling. You can use that fund and travel at various places. Create a separate bank account and put some little money on that account, which will be only used for traveling. So if the traveling fund is different, you can use that fund for traveling and you can travel a lot and you can enjoy the life. What people do is that people are not creating a travel fund, that becomes a messy, and now you are not able to use that fund also, because emergency fund cannot be used as travel fund. So keep your emergency fund separate and travel fund separate. That is the first tip which I am going to share with you. Now the second tip I am going to share with you. So now the second tip is that you have to cut down the expenses which you spend on luxury product. For an example, you usually buy the iPhone which cost of 1,15,000 rupees. So instead of buying iPhone, what you have to do is that you have to buy Nokia phone, which is of Android operating system, which cost only 11,000 rupees. So here you can easily save 1,04,000 rupees, and 1 lakh and above budget is more than enough budget if you wanted to travel out of state. So if you wanted to travel at Goa, if you wanted to travel at Kerala, so 1 lakh rupees is more than enough for you and your family if you wanted to travel for 10 to 15 days. So that is the thing, you have to cut down the expenses which you spend on luxury product in order to create a travel fund. So now third tip which I am going to share with you right now. So let's begin. So the third tip is that you have to reduce your expenses which you spend on clothes. For an example, most of the people have habit of buying t-shirt every single day. So they will spend 1,000 rupees to buy t-shirt every single day. Every single day they want new t-shirt, or every month they want new t-shirt, which costs around 1,000 rupees. So what you have to do is that you have to set a budget. You have to select only two jeans. One is of Levi's black color and second is of Levi's blue color, and you have to buy either 7 t-shirts or 7 shirts which is of Peter England, and you have to use it regularly. So here you can easily save more than 1 lakh rupees for traveling, and which can be helped to travel out of state. So now I am going to share with you a fourth tip in order to create a travel fund. So let's begin. So the fourth tip is Create your own YouTube channel. So I know creating YouTube channel is looks simple, but it's actually simple. So what you have to do is that you have to create your own YouTube channel. You have to select your niche in which in the area you are interested, in which area you have the ability to share your knowledge and skills, and after that you have to just start uploading the video in a consistency, and then you can monetize from the YouTube. You can make money from YouTube also through AdSense, through affiliate marketing, by selling products or through sponsorship. And if you work on YouTube for 3 years consistently, then you can easily create a 1 lakh rupees income in a year, which can help to travel at different state of India. So now I am going to share with you a fifth tip with you. So let's begin. So the fifth tip is that start your own blog article. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to the website which is Medium, and you have to be a you have to join the partner program. Okay, so when you publish your blogs articles on Medium, joining the partnership program is free. If you will join the partner program, the subscriber will read your blog, and you will get some money from it. So the more time the subscriber spend on reading your blog article, the more money you can make. So that's a very easiest way to make money from blog. And if you do this work consistently for 3 years, so what you can easily create 1 lakh rupees a year, and that money you can use for traveling. So you have to be consistent in order to achieve that goal. So now I'm going to share with you a sixth tip. So the sixth tip is investing in real estate. So I know that investing in real estate is quite expensive, but there is another alternative, that if you cannot invest directly in real estate, you have to invest in real estate investment trust, which is also known as REIT, REIT. So if you invest in real estate investment trust, then you can invest small amount, for example 1 lakh rupees, and if it will give you return around 12 to 13% per annum. And after that, in 6 years, your 1 lakh rupees will become 2 lakh rupees if you see the compounding effect of it. If you over a period of time you will gain, if you gain 12% per annum. So that 1 lakh rupees again you can create in 6 years, and you can use it for travel fund. You can use to go out of state. So now I am sharing a 7 tip with you. So the seventh tip is invest your money in stock market. So let's take an example. If you invest 1 lakh rupees in a company which is listed in stock market, and if that company gives you 12% return per annum, then in 6 years your money will become double. Your 1 lakh rupees will become 2 lakh rupees. So you can book the profit, and you can use that 1 lakh rupees profit to travel at different states of India. But the thing is that if you compare the stock market versus real estate, in a stock market you have to do the research, and if you want to do the research, then you have to learn the investing principles. So I had created a course on investing principles on Fiverr. So what you can do is that you can go to my YouTube channel, you can click on about section, and in about section there will be a link of Fiverr. You have to click on that link, and you have to register as a user on Fiverr, and you have to buy the course of investing principles on Fiverr, which is created by me. And you can learn the investing principles, and you can do research, and you can invest in blue chip companies for 5 years, 10 years or 15 years in order to have a good return on investment. And obviously the in that particular course there is no financial advice, there is no stock recommendation. That is the investing principles which I used to invest, which I used to do research, and to invest my money in blue chip companies. So you can buy the course of investing principles on Fiverr. Link is given on my about section. So these are the tips which I share with you. So these are the travel tips, and these are the ways to create a travel fund which will help you to create the travel fund. For example, with the tips which I share with you is the proper solution to create a travel fund and which will help you to travel. So that is the thing. So these are the all tips and these are the all solution which I had provided to you, which will help you to overcome from the problem which is travel is expensive. So travel is expensive actually is a problem. It's not a statement or it's not a fact, and that is the biggest problem, and which I had experienced, because for me travel is expensive is not a problem, but when I do some sessions, live sessions with the audience, and I discuss about my travel journeys, I discuss about my overall experience, and I share the knowledge related to traveling, where I traveled and what was my experience. I also share with them. So they simply say, and I also recommend them that yes, you should travel, you should take experience, and you should take knowledge about it. But the thing is that the people say that where the money will come from to travel. So they are saying that travel is very expensive and you will not have money for it. So that is the biggest problem which people face. So what I had done is that I had created a solution for it, and I had presented that solution to you. So I hope you'll like this video. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family. So goodbye.